Heading to my second week of esthetician school. I gotta drop my son off at school first. Definitely gotta do mommy duties first before attending to me. He's in the back seat. Seeing that this was our second week in school, it's time to do some waxing. Started off with some armpits. Showing you a picture of both sides of my classmate that I'll be waxing her arms. And this is the result. She said it was not that painful. Then I moved on to another classmate and started waxing feet and legs. I was trying to get my technique down, making sure that the wax wasn't too hot and that my position of the wax stick was proper. Seeing that it should be at a 90-degree angle to spread the wax evenly. And this is my result of removing the wax with strips. This is soft wax, by the way. And after doing it probably 2 or 3 times, I got the hang of it, and it was pretty fun. This is me waxing a lower leg on a classmate. This is another classmate. She's never waxed before, and this was me speed waxing her. I sped the video up a little bit just to get you a feel of what was taking place in class. It was fun. Listen, I was the person in class that didn't shy away. I know I needed to see as many clients as possible to get the hang of things, so I saw everybody. These were her results of the front and the back of her legs.